Hello, myself Sufia Shikalkar and I am from Pune. Today's my video topic name is the skeleton system. The definition of skeleton system: the skeleton system is made up of bones and which gives the structure to the human body is known as the skeleton system. The component of skeleton system is bone is known as the osteo, joint is known as the arthro, and the cartilage is known as the chondro. There are 206 bones in adult are present. In newborn, 270 to 350 bones are present in newborn babies. After that, the function of skeleton system, the f- this the bones gives the shapes and structure to the body, give movement, which helps to give the movement to the human body, uh, which protects give the protection to the human body. Blood cell production helps to blood cell production. After the storage of calcium and potassium gives the help. After the endocrine regulation means glucose and metabolism secretions. uh, the contents of skeleton system: 35%, 45% of water are present. After that, the 35% of mineral salt are present. 20% of colonious protein are present in a bone. After that, the blood cell, the formation of blood cells is called as the osteogenesis. The type of blood cell, the first is the osteoblast, means imitator to newly new ematter to newly formed. After the uh, osteocyst means the uh, motor to living healthy energetic cell. The formation of bone tissue is known as osteofication. After that, the uh, types of process: intra 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 intramembrane means connection to the tissue and changes into the bone. uh, for example, flat bone. Endocondial means cartilage transformation of cartilage into the bone, means for example, long bone. The skeleton systems, which are divided into two classes: first is the axial bone, and second is the appendicular bone. In axial bones there are 80 bones are present. In appendicular bone, 126 bones are present. uh, Axial bones means longitudinal axis, means within the central axis. Appendicular means peripheral axis, means apart from the central axis. uh, in the axial bones there are for the bones, for example, skull, ear, rib cage, vertebral column, etc. The bone are present. After that, the in appendicular axis, hand, hand, legs are present. First After that, first is the skull. In skull, first is the in the skull, the cranial bone. First is the cranial bone. There are presence of 8 bones. First is the frontal bone. There are presence of 1. After the parietal bone, the presence of bone is 2. Temporal bone, which is also presence of 2. Occipital bone, presence of 1. uh, Ethmoid bone, which are presence of 1. uh, Sephonide bone, which is also presence of 1. One bone is present. uh, in a facial bone, there are 4 bones are present. First is the mandial bone, one mandial bone, uh, two bones of maxial bone, two bones of plateal bone, two bones of nasal bone, and two bones of zygomatic bone. After that, the two bones of lacrimal bone. Uh, After that, in ear, there are six bone. Uh, Malia in cursed bone, there are presence of two bones. Stepus, there is also presence of two bones, and malleus, two bones are present. In vertebral there are 33 bones are present. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sternum, and coccyx. After the rib cage, there are 24 bones are present, uh, in the pairs of in the pairs, means 12 pairs of rib, uh, 1 to 7 attached to the sternum, and 8, 9, and 10 numbers of bones which are attached to the seventh rib, means a false rib. After the 11 and 12, floating ribs. After that, the appendicular axis, which is apart from the central axis, there are presence of 126 bone, pectoral bone, 4 pectoral bone, 2 pelvic bone, 60 upper limbs, and 60 lower limbs. After that, the these are the numbers of bone which are present in human body. Thank you.